Someone asked me today if I had my hair cut. I said no, I got them all cut. Hello, welcome to Science Chomp. Today we're going to be looking at volcano keywords. Now, when you study volcanoes, there's a lot of words being thrown at you, and I'm just going to try and clarify some of these. So let's start with some of the more common ones. First of all, there's magma and lava. Basically, these are the same thing. It's the same material, it's molten rock. But magma is when it's inside of the earth, inside of the volcano. And when it's erupted, you call it lava. So lava is basically magma that's been erupted from a volcano onto the surface. Next, we have tephra. This is exactly the same material as magma and lava. This is molten rock being ejected from a volcano. And it comes in 3 different flavors, essentially 3 different sizes: ash, cinders, and blocks. So ash is the very fine dust. So this is the lava that has come out and it's solidified into tiny, tiny little bits of dust, less than 2 millimeters in diameter. Cinders is when it's a little bit bigger. It's up to about 65 millimeters in diameter at the most. And then anything bigger than that, we call them bombs or blocks. So they're basically big chunks of rock, essentially. Remember, when magma and lava cool down, they form rocks. And that's basically what these are. They're not liquid, they're solid. So that's tephra. Remember, ash, cinders, and bombs or blocks. Next up, we have hotspot. Now, this is a point far away from a plate boundary where a volcano can form. Essentially, what it is a weakness in the Earth's crust where the magma pressure just pushes through and you get lava coming out. Next, we have pyroclastic flow. Now, this is incredibly dangerous, and in the past, it's been known to have killed the people of Pompeii. Now, what this is very, very hot, very fast-moving volcanic gases, steam, hot rocks, and lava, all mixed up as one, flowing down the volcano, destroying everything in its path. As you can see from this video, it's incredibly devastating, and this is the first ever evidence that we have of a human being running faster than a car. Next up, we have lehar. Now, this could be as devastating as pyroclastic flow. It's basically a mudslide caused by a volcano. So you got mud mixed in with volcanic material. It's flowing downhill, and it basically, again, it destroys quite a lot of things in its path. Next up, we have magma chamber. Now, magma chamber is essentially the chamber or the room, the reservoir in which a volcano stores its magma. And when it erupts, all that lava comes out of the vent. So the vent is the top bit. Now, I've got here the word caldera. Now, what happens is when a volcano erupts, and the magma chamber becomes empty, sometimes what happens is the volcano collapses in on itself, and when it does that, it forms this characteristic crater shape called a caldera. Okay, so these are some of the common volcano keywords. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.